In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use trade paper trading. This feature is a fantastic way to practice buying and selling stocks or options with fake money. It allows you to learn the ropes without any real financial risk. So let's get started on this journey of financial education. First, you need to log in and open Power Trade. Head over to the Trade website, or you can use the app if that's more convenient for you. Once you're there, sign into your account. After logging in, look for Power Trade and click on it. From there, select paper trading or simulated trading. You will immediately notice a virtual account loaded with fake money, typically around $100,000. This is your sandbox to experiment and learn without worry. It's important because it gives you the freedom to make mistakes and learn from them without any real-world consequences. Now that you're set up, let's find a stock or asset to trade. Use the search bar at the top of the screen. Simply type in the ticker symbol of the stock you're interested in, like AAPL for Apple or TSLA for Tesla, and click on the stock to open its page. This is where the real learning begins. Once you're on the stock page, it's time to analyze before trading. You can view detailed charts that show the stock's performance over time. Also, check out the latest news related to the stock. Add indicators like the relative strength index or moving averages to get a better understanding of market trends. You can even use watch lists to keep track of your favorite stocks. Analyzing these elements is crucial because it helps you make informed decisions and develop a keen eye for spotting opportunities. With your analysis complete, it's time to place a paper trade. Click on the trade button. Here you'll choose whether you want to buy or sell. Decide on the number of shares you wish to trade and select the order type, either market or limit. Once you're ready, click Preview, double-check your order, and then click Submit. Remember, this uses fake money only, so don't stress over mistakes. This step is key to understanding the mechanics of trading and the decision-making process involved. Now let's talk about tracking your trades. Head over to the Positions tab to see what stocks you currently own. The Account Summary section will show your profit or loss. This allows you to monitor how your trades are performing in real time and adjust your strategies as needed. Keeping track of your trades helps you refine your strategies and learn from both your successes and mistakes. If you ever feel like you've made too many mistakes or just want a fresh start, there is an option to reset or restart. Look for the Reset Paper Account feature, which will restore your fake balance and clear any trades you've made. This ensures you can start anew whenever you feel the need. It's a valuable feature because it encourages exploration and experimentation without fear of permanent setbacks. As you continue to practice, focus on learning how to buy and sell stocks effectively. Test different trading strategies, read charts accurately, and manage risk. This simple workflow of searching for a stock, analyzing it, trading it, and monitoring your results is a solid foundation for your trading education. Before we wrap up, here's an important note. Paper trading uses fake money, so while it provides a great learning platform, it may not perfectly replicate real trading conditions. Execution can differ when you start using real funds. However, it's still an invaluable tool for learning before you dive into real-world trading. Thank you for joining me today, and happy trading with Trade Paper Trading.